To check TD Bank Online Banking, start by going to the TD Bank website and clicking on the Online Banking Login tab. You will need to have a username and password to access your account. If you have not already enrolled in online banking, you can do so by clicking on the Enroll Now tab and following the prompts to create a username and password. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Account Summary page, which provides an overview of your account balances and recent transactions. From here, you can navigate to different sections of the website to view more detailed information about your accounts, including account history, transaction details, and pending transactions. To view your account history, click on the Account History tab and select the account you want to view. You can then choose a date range to view transactions from a specific period of time. You can also use the search function to find specific transactions by date, amount, or description. To pay bills or transfer funds, click on the Payments and Transfers tab and follow the prompts to complete the transaction. You can also set up automatic payments and transfers to make managing your finances easier. To ensure the security of your online banking account, make sure to log out when you are finished and do not share your username and password with anyone. It is also a good idea to regularly review your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to TD Bank immediately. In addition to online banking, TD Bank also offers a mobile banking app that allows you to access your accounts on the go. The app is available for both iPhone and Android devices and can be downloaded from the App Store. By following these steps and taking advantage of the features and tools available through TD Bank Online Banking, you can easily manage your finances and stay on top of your accounts from anywhere, at any time.